I I would like to do a video on equality, equal, and equilibrium. What does it mean? Uh, what does it mean by having equality for all? If you think about it, the universe is equality. And to have an understanding what that means is you look at our human body. The human body is a reflection of the universe. And by saying that, if you look at the human body, it has a lot of organs which function, which basically work together and function in an equilibrium state. For like example, you have the heart, you have the lung, you have the kidney, the liver, and multiple other organs that's involved. So to explain it more in depth, how does it work in an equal within the equilibrium to create equality for the whole body, which gives us life. Let's take the heart, which pumps the blood, which circulates the blood within all the other organs, within the lungs, goes to the lungs, the kidneys to basically assist in taking the waste and distributing the amount of nutrients equally throughout the whole body to sustain all the other organs which perform equally, which within each other to make a human being or a human body. So to look at it, all the organs perform its function equally. The heart doesn't state that it is the only or the special organs that makes the human body works, because if you look at it, it performs equally with the lungs, which absorbs the oxygen. It performs equally with the kidneys to excrete the waste, which is urine, and vice versa, the same as the liver or any other organs in the body. It performs its function equally. But like every other organs, it needs the assistance of the blood, which circulates from one organ to the other to the next organ in a function where it is performing in an equilibrium. So if you look at this, all the organs perform equally, and in doing so, it is making the body, the human body, in an equilibrium state of equilibrium, which basically brings equality for the whole body to live, which we call life. Here in the state of life as here. So if the human body is a reflection, is a reflection of the universe of equality, if you look at society as a whole, each and every human being is a representation of an organ. Look at it like an organ within the human body as a whole. And if each organ is performed equally within each other, then we have equilibrium. And within equilibrium, there is equality, which is life. So what is it in this what is it that's in society that is almost like a reflection of within the inner body of the human being? Like the blood which flow through the human body like a current. It moves like a current. It distributed, and it takes the waste and is distributed equally through all the organs equally. So what is it in society that is function in the same way as blood? Is basically money. If you look at the word money, okay, if you look at money, we call it is a currency. So currency moves exactly like blood. It moves like a current. It goes to all the organ. But within all the organ, if the organ doesn't perform equally, there's no equality. But if it moves through all the organs, which is the human being in society, in this one world, which is like the body, if it moves in the current where it is equally, then we have equality, which is the representation of life. So that is the universe, is equality, life, which is here.